Hello and welcome to another video by Emily Learning. So in this video, we'll be talking about what is tested in the topic on waves in O-level physics. So let's get started. So let's look at what is tested by looking at this by looking at the syllabus. So I have turned to this section on general wave properties. So what you need to know is you need to be able to describe what is meant by wave motion as illustrated by vibration in ropes and springs and by waves in ripple tank. So you need to talk about those vibrations and how they create transverse waves or longitudinal waves. Next, you need to be able to show the understanding that wave transfer energy without transferring matter. So for example, if I'm going to move a rope up and down, okay, so I am standing here and I'm going to move this rope up and down. So when I do so, this is the waves that are generated in the rope. So there's a transfer in energy from left to right, right? But did the rope move away from the left hand side? No, the rope is still here, right? It didn't move to the right hand side. But there is a transfer in energy from left to right. So this is what it meant by waves transfer energy without transferring matter. Next, you need to be able to define speed, frequency, wavelength, period, and amplitude. So I do have a list of the common definitions that you need to know for O-level physics. So I'll provide it in the link below. Do check it out. So these are the definitions. So maybe let's look at C and D. So you need to know how to define speed, frequency, wavelength, period, amplitude, as well as wavefront. So you can find the definitions here. So here, these are the definitions of speed, frequency, wavelength, period, amplitude, and wavefront. You can find it at this website here. I provided in the link. I'll provide the link in the description below. Now coming back, so we are done till here. So next, you need to be able to make use of this formula. Velocity equals to frequency times wavelength, or basically your V equals to F lambda, to solve questions. And you also need to use this formula, F equals to 1 over T. All right. Then you need to be able to compare transverse and longitudinal waves and give examples of each. So transverse waves are waves in which the direction of vibration is perpendicular to the direction of motion, of the particles. While for longitudinal waves, the direction of vibration and the direction of motion of the particles are parallel to each other. Examples of transverse waves would include your light waves, your electromagnetic waves. Longitudinal waves, examples of longitudinal waves would be your sound waves. So we have completed looking at the syllabus for the general wave properties. If you like this video, do subscribe to our channel and give us a like. And I'll see you in our next video. Bye.